My dad and me are on a butterfly walk today. One of the butterfly transects that he does every year, and we're at Windmill Hill near Horndean.
There's a big shot, mate. Go careful. There's a ringlet. Can you see it?
Yeah.
There. Pyramidal orchid. Keen on the chalk species. Keen on the pyramids, have you?
Yeah, we don't get far as we're walking. A few steps and something to see, a flower or butterfly, and we stop and get the cameras out. Yeah, several hours I reckon for a few miles.
Yeah.
Wonder if anyone's in there. Oop. This is Hypericum, St John's Wort.
That is St John's Wort, yeah.
Skylark up there. It's so tiny to photograph, but I can hear it. That's steep.
Wait till you get the other side.
This is a steep slope down into the valley and up the other side. I can't imagine for a second I'm still going to be walking like my dad when I'm 90.
And just keep an eye out for the broom rapes. There's quite a few orchids in there.
You just have to push on past her.
I think if the sun was out, there would be a lot of butterflies.
What is it?
Arts.
Red Bartsia. Elderflowers are almost over now. The berries are starting to form.
Very short leaves, the buttercups. If they've got four, then it's Tom and two.
You can do it, Pip. Come on. Come on, Pip. You're right under a massive cloud of midges.
Yeah.
Nothing stops the butterfly transect. Not aged years, not ailments, not loved ones in hospital, not a tired dog, nothing. The butterfly transect must be done. I spoke too soon. I said there was no butterflies down this path.